Assalamualaikum. I am Umar Arshad from Khaja Farid University of Engineering and Information Technology. Today I am going to tell you what is scenario manager. Let's discuss scenario manager. Scenario manager is a tool that help us that available on Excel that work on different scenario. It uses a group of friends that impact on individual output, and its scenario manager integrated on the data tab. In what if analysis tool, in here we get base variety of input and allow you to enter those input. Let's take an example. We are going to eat the lunch every work day and night, and those based on the factory. Let's say our monthly cost would be $198, and we decide further or not we want bring the lunch or bring the lunch, which we would go with cost $6 per day, or buy with lunch would cost $12 per day, and maybe the whole chance of it will be by as 50% of eat out or of that time. What we will do is the multiple the chance that we will eat out by the cost of doing, and so at that chance we won't eat out by 1 minus of other 1 minus half amount, then multiply the cost of bringing us to the chance by chance we do, then it will be come out $198 a month. Let's reset the scenario manager. Click on what if analysis and go to scenario manager. I have already have some scenario of eat out low, eat out medium and eat out high. Let's check the eat out low. Click on the edit and we got eat out low. The value of each changing cell is 0.10%, 10% for changing of eat out low, and for eat out medium we got 50%. Here we can see this. Now we should go on eat out high and click on edit. We can name the scenario eat out high and changing cell B2 and D2. Click on OK. We got the value of 90% here of each changing cell. Let's see. If we click on eat out high, the scenario manager show off, and then click on show, then we got some different scenario from scenario manager of monthly cost. Here we got the eat out high monthly cost is $250, and if we click on eat out medi and then we will click on show, then we will got the monthly cost of eat out medium is $198. Or if we click on eat out low and click on the show, we will got the monthly price of bring lunch is $145. We can also have the summary from scenario manager. Let's see. If we click on summary of bring lunch today before, click on OK. Yes, we can use, as you can see here, that we got scenario summary changing, and if we eat out median, the current value of is 6, and changing cell as we got the result of $145 if we eat out low. And what if we eat out medi, then the monthly cost of cell is $198, and if we eat out high, the monthly cost is $250, and the percent of changing cell is 10%, 50%, and eat out high is 90%.